On our forecast for today, but boy, all eyes are on the weekend for sure.
Yes, and they should be on Friday too, because that's when the changes could really start here in Denver. So it's warmer and breezy through Thursday. We do have some fire concerns tomorrow, and then rain and mountain snow by Friday, and maybe some rain here in Denver. So let's take a look at where's the rain been. 24 days since we've last seen any rain here in Denver. So over 3 weeks. It's hard to believe. There's a little bit of moisture down in the southwestern part of the state right now. Not a ton. This will get slightly more widespread as we head into the afternoon, but our big area of high pressure finally moves out of the way, and a big area of low pressure drops into the desert southwest and the Four Corners as we get into Friday, and that really shakes things up for us. We're looking at cooler temperatures, and we're also going to see wet weather around here. And as this storm is getting closer, our chances for rain are actually increasing here across the Front Range. So timing it out for tonight, we'll continue to see that rain get a little bit more widespread by Wednesday evening, some of it popping up into the northern and central mountain areas. It's not super widespread today, but some of those storms could fire up a little bit more to the north, and then we'll continue to see clear conditions throughout most of the overnight hours. But by early Thursday morning, we're starting to see more moisture stream into the southwestern part of the state and the western slope, and then throughout the afternoon there's a little bit more, and then by late at night on Thursday we could potentially have some very heavy rain for parts of western Colorado, some much needed moisture out there, and maybe a little bit of snow, and then we'll see better chances for snow and rain coming our way on Friday. So let's take a look at some of the snow models that we're looking at. This is the European model. As we go through the weekend, it's showing southwestern Colorado getting hit very hard and just a couple of inches of snow in the northern and central mountains. So we do think that the southwestern part of the state is going to get hit very hard. But another model that we're looking at, the GFS, shows that we could see maybe upwards of 7 to 12 inches of snow for the northern and central mountains, with still a lot of snow expected in the southwestern part of the state. So the models are still a little bit all over the place on what could happen as we head into the weekend, but it does look like southwestern Colorado will be the bullseye for the snow coming our way. So there's still a lot of variables to look at with this storm. Right now it's 76 in Denver, 63 in Boulder, 60s out in the eastern plains, 57 in Frisco, 60 in Avon, 73 in Grand Junction. And this afternoon, 78 in Denver, 77 in Boulder and Fort Collins, 70s, a couple low 80s out east, 64 in Vail, 68 in Aspen and Gunnison, and 79 in Grand Junction. Across the Front Range, possibly 80 here in downtown Denver, 77 in Broomfield, 77 in Loveland and Windsor and Eaton, 79 in Parker, 78 in Centennial, and as we zoom on into Boulder County, 77 in Louisville and Superior, and as we move on into your neighborhood in the Broomfield area, Miramonte, 79 degrees, mostly sunny. It's a mild day for us, really pretty lovely out there. And taking a look, tomorrow morning is the largest supermoon. It is the Hunter's moon. It appears 15% bigger than normal. We should have fairly clear conditions for it, maybe a little bit of cloud cover. It's 30% brighter than a normal full moon as well. So make sure you check it out. It should be beautiful out there. So Thursday morning, there's some clouds out there, 74 degrees, a little bit breezy. Then on Friday, that's when we have the bigger changes coming in, 65 degrees, late day rain showers coming our way. And then we could see a fairly soggy Saturday. It's not epic amounts of rain, but hey, we'll take what we can get. But it really cools off to 51 degrees. I'd definitely take an umbrella if you're heading out on Saturday. Sunday, still a little bit of wet weather out there, although it should be starting to clear out for the most part, but we're still in the 50s. And then on Monday, 65 degrees, very isolated chances for some rain. And then on Tuesday, back to the 70s with sunshine, where we'll stay throughout most of next week. But finally, by Friday, in the afternoon and into the evening, we'll start to see some rain chances reappear here across the Front Range. And it certainly will be, as Alex Leonard says in the morning, crock-pot weather this weekend.
Yeah, it certainly sounds like it. Lauren, thank you as always. It is Wednesday.